JavaScript versus Python.
Both are popular, both are powerful, but if you're a beginner, which one should you learn first? In this video, I'll break it all down in the simplest way possible so you can make the right choice. If you're a new programmer, this video might be a game changer for you. Section 1. What are JavaScript and Python? Let's start with the basics. JavaScript is the backbone of the web. Every modern website uses JavaScript for button clicks, animations, interactivity, everything. Python is a simple and readable language used for data science, AI, automation, and even back-end web development. Online, JavaScript, great for websites and apps. Python, great for data, AI, logic, and automation. Section 2. Learning curve. Which one is easier to learn? Let's talk about how easy they are to learn. Python has a very clean and simple syntax. It feels like you're writing in plain English. That's why it's considered perfect for beginners. JavaScript is also beginner-friendly, but it can feel tricky at first. You need to understand the browser, the DOM, and how functions and events work. Total beginner. Python is easier to start with. Section 3. What should you learn for your goals? Let's compare both languages based on your career goals. If you want to build, learn this language. Website, JavaScript. Full website, JavaScript plus Node.js. Data science, machine learning, Python. AI tools or automation scripts, Python. Games, Python or JavaScript. Mobile apps, JavaScript. Section 4. Job market and future scope. If we talk about job opportunities, both languages have a bright future. Python is in high demand for data science, AI, and automation. JavaScript is highly demanded in web development and app development. Good news is, once you learn one language well, the second becomes easier to pick up. My honest advice, if you're a total beginner and want to improve your logic, start with Python. If you want to build websites or interactive apps, go with JavaScript. Still unsure? Try building small beginner projects in both languages. See which one feels more comfortable and exciting for you. So what's your decision, JavaScript or Python? Let me know in the comments below. And if this video helped you out, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tech content.